At Crestron, we take pride in the way we manufacture our products. From initial design to fulfillment, our process ensures Crestron delivers excellence and innovation.
When people find out that we make our own products, they're pretty surprised. But then they see what goes into this, and they're blown away.
It starts with surface mount machines that transform engineering ideas into physical designs. The placement of every component, the quality of every solder joint is inspected with a combination of 3D optical, robotic, and X-ray technology. Nothing, down to 1/100th the width of a human hair, escapes their gaze.
Our product testing technology examines thousands of details a minute.
Speed allows Crestron to do more detailed testing throughout the manufacturing process.
Completed prototypes are tested for safety and regulatory compliance. Most companies send this work out of house. Crestron performs it at one of the most well-equipped electromagnetic chambers in the United States. Once approved, products are broken, then broken again. Sophisticated vibration machines, thermal shock chambers, and drop simulation replicate years of use, abuse, in a matter of days. The result? Performance measured in decades and unrivaled client satisfaction. Crestron is equally as dedicated to quality fulfillment. Every product we make leaves from one of 5 global fulfillment centers. These facilities push the science of logistics to a higher level. Every Crestron product is shipped in packaging custom designed for its particular specifications. Crestron Manufacturing. Sure, others may say we take our standards too far. We know they're the best way to take customers as far as they want to go.
Everything we do, all the testing and manufacturing innovations, they're all about delivering the best experiences for the people who rely on Crestron.